How to make money on Wattpad, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with making money on Wattpad. So let's get into it. Now, before I start off this video, I need to let you guys know that making money on Wattpad is not very easy. It is something that requires a lot of time and effort. So if you're someone that wants to make money quickly, or if you find that maybe it might be an easy way to make money, then Wattpad is not for you. However, if you're someone that is passionate about writing, if you want to write novels, stories, any kind of writing material, if you want to do that, and if you're passionate about this, then you can definitely go on ahead and earn money with Wattpad as well. Plus, if you know how to write a good thriller, that can really be a helpful device to use to propagate your Wattpad writing and to get your viewers or, your customers to purchase the novel from you. So instead of, launching book series that is for free, you can launch one initial book for free, and then to unlock the later on books, to unlock the rest of the story, people can pay and then unlock, and you can earn money in that fashion. But we will go into detail on that later on. Now, to get started with making money on Wattpad, first off, Wattpad does have a stars program. They have Wattpad stars, and you can join that later on. If you are a established writer on Wattpad, Wattpad will reach out to you and make you a Wattpad star, and you can earn money with that platform. Until then, you need to participate in as many community events. So if you log onto your Wattpad account, as I have logged on over here, I can simply click on community over here, and I can click on the Waddy Awards. So the Waddy Awards are an annual writing contest that Wattpad hosts, and it's very essential that you go on ahead and join and participate in these community events. So you want to build a connection with the community, you want to interact with the community, and you want to make sure you're publishing your writings. That is the only way that you can make money with Wattpad, because once you are participating in the community, let's say you won the Waddy Awards, then Wattpad is very likely to notice you and make you a Wattpad writing star. Plus, you also get a cash prize to participate in the Wattpad Waddy Awards. Now, other than that, you also have basic Wattpad ambassadors and community happenings. I would recommend for people that are looking to, just interact with other writers, try to keep track of what is happening on Wattpad, what people are looking at, what is the new information, what are the trending stories, and so on and so forth. Now, other than that, if we go on ahead into Wattpad stars, so if you go onto creators.wattpad.com, this will be your home page. And you can click on programs and opportunities, and you can click on all programs over here. And the Wattpad Creators Program, or it is most commonly referred to as the STARS program, is the program that I was previously referring to. However, there are certain eligibility criteria that you need to meet. You need to have created and published a new story part in the last 3 months. You need to have at least one completed novel-length story, which is at least 50,000 words or more. And you do not have any trust or safety violations in any of your current stories or any of your pending stories. Plus, you need to have at least one story in your catalog written in one of these specific genres. So you need to make sure that you have a genre-based story that is within these popular genres. So it also needs to have at least this number of engaged readers for you to be able to complete the eligibility criteria. Now, just because you are eligible doesn't mean that they will accept you. Once you have fulfilled all of these criteria, you're just going to scroll down, and you can go on ahead and you can see that they are currently working with creators who can meet the above criteria, and stay tuned to create their application program. You can click on subscribe now to go on ahead and open to the creators newsletter. So whenever new spots open or any information regarding these spots comes out, you can receive it directly in your email address. Now, other than that, you have Wattpad paid stories. Now, as I was talking to you guys previously, you can create paid stories on Wattpad, where you can write the first piece or the first part of a story for free. You can make that available to anyone, and then you can write the second part as a paid version, where readers will have to pay to unlock your story. And this is going to be a simple version of, selling your stories, but this is also another invite-only based platform on Wattpad. So you have to wait until Wattpad actually invites you to this program, and they identify the content. So if they see that your stories are doing well and they are worthwhile, worth reading as well as worth paying for, then Wattpad will go on ahead and subscribe and, invite you to join their paid stories program. You also have the Wattpad Webtoon Studios and brand opportunities. So brand opportunities allow you to, engage with different brands and promote different brands with your writing. This is also another invite-only based program where you can earn money with Wattpad. So it's very essential that you get recognized as a creator or a star on Wattpad. Now, this does not mean you need to have thousands or billions of followers. This is very, very much dependent on the type of content that you are writing. And this can easily be identified with the stars that Wattpad does have. So if you take a look at Anna Todd, she is one of the most popular writers on Wattpad. She is respected in the writers community as a genuine writer, and she has over 2.2 million followers. And you might think, hey, I am in no comparison to that. I do not have that many followers. But Wattpad does not award stars based on how many followers you have. So if we look at Benjamin Sobiek, so this guy only has 9.7k followers, but because of the quality of his work, so he was also a Waddy Award winner, and because of the quality of his work, that is why people are, buying his content, they are buying his paid stories, and they are also, and he is also being recognized as a Wattpad star. So it is not based on the number of followers that you can manage. It doesn't matter. As long as you are writing quality content on Wattpad, you can create money, but you need to make sure that you are staying consistent and you don't want to, write a couple of stories and then just ghost Wattpad and then a year later you're writing again. So you need to make sure you're staying consistent, and the quality of your content will matter a lot more than the overall quantity. So you can write 5 to 6 good quality books. That is way better than writing 10 to 12 to 50, low quality books. So keep that in mind whenever you are looking to make money with Wattpad. Now, other than that, if you are an avid Wattpad user, you can actually go on ahead and create a Fiverr gig related to Wattpad. So you can offer the service of promoting other people's Wattpad content or interacting with their Wattpad content. You can review other people's Wattpad content, and a lot of people do really need those reviews, comments, and interactive feedback on their Wattpad stories. So you can go on ahead and create a Fiverr gig and earn some money with that as well. So if your major goal is to earn money, and if you want to do that just by reading some stories, you can offer this service on Fiverr or on Upwork, any other platform of that sort, and find different stories to read. You can get, anywhere from $5 to $10 to $15 for proofreading stories, for just reading stories and reviewing them on Wattpad as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.